Hi, in this video, we'll see how to calculate sales per year in Excel. Here we have a sample data set with the dates and the sales done during these periods in the year 2024 and 2025. And we want to calculate or summarize the sales per year. And for this, we'll use the Sumifs formula. So Sumifs are used when you have more than one criteria. And we have we have two criteria. For the year 2024, we have to give the starting date as Jan 1st, 2024 and the ending date as 31/12/2024. So this is the period that you have to calculate the sum range. So, or the sales. So let's do the Sumif formula here. So is equal to Sumifs and give the sum range. The sum range is the sales here. We have to calculate the sum range and press F4 to lock it. Lock the range and then let's do it again. And let's lock the range with F4. Now the criteria range is the date, right? We have to summarize according to the date and give a comma. And what is the first criteria? The first criteria should be greater than or equal to 1st December, 1st Jan 2024. So for this, we'll use the ampersand symbol greater than or equal to and use the ampersand to concatenate with the date formula and give the date formula. The syntax is year. So the year is equal to 2024 and month is 1st Jan and day is 1st. So this is our first criteria. Now we'll give the second criteria, which is our end date. And for this, again, the criteria range is the same. We are going to take the date range and we will do the second criteria here. The date should be less than or equal to 31st December. Use the ampersand and use the date formula here. And yes, okay, let's see and use the date formula here. And open the parenthesis, give the year 2024, comma 12 for the month and 31 for the date. So this is the formula and let's log the ranges because F4 with F4 and again the date range we are logging it here also with F4. And this press okay, we're going to give one more parenthesis and we got the sales for the year 2024. And to copy down the formula to either year 2025, just drag the left mouse button, but we are going to get the same thing. So what we have to change in this formula, since we have logged the ranges, everything is going to be the same thing. But what we have to change is year 2025. So the same formula will be used and you can use the year 2025, 1st Jan 2025 and the end date will be 31st December 2025. So we're going to just sum the sales within this period and by using the Sumifs formula. Press enter. So you got the sales of this period 2025. So this is how you use Sumifs formula when you have to calculate sales within a particular year by using the criteria of start date and end date. Thank you for watching the video.